Hey there, tech enthusiasts. If you're diving into the world of Apple Card in 2025, you're in for a treat. This digital-first credit card from Apple has been updated with even more seamless features, making your everyday spending smarter and safer. Whether you're a first-time user or just refreshing your knowledge, I'll guide you through the basics step by step. Let's get started. First things first, setting up your Apple Card. If you haven't already, open the Wallet app on your iPhone. Head to the Apple Card section and follow the prompts to add it. For 2025, there's a new quick setup feature that uses facial recognition for faster verification. Just scan your face, enter your details, and boom, you're good to go. This update makes activation a breeze, taking less than a minute. Once it's set up, making payments is incredibly easy. For in-store purchases, just double-click the side button on your iPhone and hold it near the payment terminal. Apple Pay handles the rest. Online, select Apple Pay at checkout, and your card details are securely shared. The 2025 version introduces enhanced rewards tracking, where you earn 3% daily cash on Apple purchases and 2% on most other categories. Keep an eye on the app for real-time rewards updates. Now, let's talk about managing your account. Open the Apple Card app to check your balance, view transaction history, and track your spending categories. A cool new 2025 feature is the AI-powered Budget Assistant, which analyzes your habits and suggests ways to save. For security, enable features like transaction alerts and the automatic lock if your device is lost. Always use a strong passcode and enable two-factor authentication to protect your info. One more tip. Pay your bill on time to avoid interest. Set up auto payments in the app. With these tools, using your Apple Card can help you build better financial habits. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips. See you next time.